Hi, today we're going to be changing the rear brake pads on a 2013 VW Passat 2-litre TDI Blue Motion with the electric handbrake. Before we proceed, we need to rewind the pistons back, so it needs to be under VW Passat 2013 and the brake, clip parking brake, and get that. Look on the tools. Resetting of pistons before service. Before the rear brake pads are changed, pistons need to be reversed. As soon as they are reversed, you will hear a noise. This means it is ready for the rear brake pads to be changed.
So this is the brake caliper that we're going to take off to change the pads. There's a 13 mil behind. You have to loosen it off and get the 15 on the back to hold it. Loosen the top one. And we've got one at the bottom. Just taking both out. Two, it'll be put off easily. Take it off, and then you've got to push the piston back to put the new pads on. If you've got the tool, the brake wind back tool you need. Put the tool on, wind the piston back. So it stops, it's done. Undo it, take it off. Take the old pads out, that's it. If you're replacing the pads, then just put them back in. Just slide in easily. Now it's just done, put the caliper back on. Put the bolts back on. Now we tighten them both back up. Tighten the top one. That's it, that's that. We're done here. Now we have to reset the parking brake.
To reset the parking brake, we just need to go back into we should hear a noise. The rear brake pads are now complete.